gi Collins Okaka.
Waringodo joka dhowadha na mchumbi mana county ma Mombasa kumayudo ni tend county na Mombasa koro chiwo siem ewi tuo mar mpox magikone nyaka ne ochakre higa mokalo. Ji ariyo osewito ngimagi kama moko 98 oseyangi ni osegamo tuono e county na Mombasa. George Aoko miyo waler mathoth.
Mpaka jana tarehe 10 tulikuwa tuko na positives 98. We have had 159 ambao wametestiwa na 98 have turned positive so far.
Mano Laktar Mohamed Hanif, main director migao mar thieth Mombasa, kachiwo lere wi kwan jogo mosegamo tuo mpox kachiel kod mago mosewito ngimagi.
And in Mombasa tayari tushapata 2 deaths that have occurred in Mombasa. So majority are coming from Nyali and Changamwe. If you look at the percentages, we have about 23% coming from Nyali and 19% coming from Changamwe. So these are the most affected areas for the county of Mombasa.
Kanioloso gi jofwamb weche, Hanif kone giseyango ni tuono chalne landore mapiyo kor gwenge ni mar thoth jopiny onge kod ng'eyo matut ewi wach tuono.
What is happening currently, there's a lot of active community transmission within the community. It's because the community has not accepted that this is an active transmission that is happening within their communities. Tumewaelimisha our CHPs on the mpox infection. Tumewatrain watu wetu kuweza kudetect the signs and symptoms of mpox and to be able to refer accordingly.
Fatuma Ali en achiel kuom apisas e migao mar thieth makoni sani gidhi nyime kod tiego jopiny ranyisi mag tuono kod kaka ginyalo rakore kode.
Symptom yake ambayo inadhihirisha haraka huwa ni ile rash ama mapele, na sana sana jamii zetu wana confuse hii rash na tetemaji, ama kuna zile side effects za kama chikungunya ama dengue fever, ama pia kuna ile heat rash kwa sababu tuko katika eneo la joto. Kuna wengine pia wakipata harara. Kwa hivyo tunahamasisha jamii ya kuwa ukipata rash ama upele ambao huuelewi, tafadhali enda katika kituo cha karibu uhakikishe kuwa umeonekana na daktari.
Kabinde gilero ni tuono nyalo mako ng'ato ang'ata.
In fact, our youngest case has been a 12-year-old, and majority the age bracket ni between 24 and 45 years of age. So it's everybody, and we are all at risk.
Ne Radio Ramogi e county ma Mombasa, and George Aoko.